But when I say cocaine, I'm not talking about cocaine as in like the drugs, Luh Twin. I'm talking about like, you feel me, white girls, you see what I'm saying?
Luh Twin, Luh Twin, Luh Twin, Luh Twin.
They build a spam. Luh Twin scam. My Luh Twin trap. Luh Twin get your dollar. Este va en zona. Se va en boy. Y a Mangola.
Dollar Twin, Dollar Twin, Dollar Twin, Dollar Twin.
Wait, I got money now, type shit. I got bread now, type shit. Fuck your bitch now, type shit. We the bitch, bro, type shit. I run the city now, type shit. I'm big dog now, type shit. We the best, nigga. Yeah, we the best, bro.
Twin, Twin, Twin. Luh Twin, Luh Twin, Luh Twin, Luh Twin.